Hello lovely viewers, welcome to the channel. This is Sunset Drone GH. Today we are coming to you from one of the biggest palaces in Ghana. That's the ABBANPREDASE Palace, which is located in Dormaa Ahenkro in the Bomaa region of Ghana. This is the seat of the Dormaa Ahenkro Osajefo Osiadeyo Dr. Nana Agyemang Badu II. Today we hope to give you a brief history on why this big magnificent palace is being named ABBANPREDASE. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I want you to click on the red subscribe button to become part of the amazing Sunset family. The people of Dormaa, who are of the clan of Aduana, originally part of the Akwamu Kingdom during the 17th century, had transitioned from a lot of towns. Consequently, they founded Bomaa mine, which literally means gather your people. The Dormaas are believed to have founded Bomaa with the view to making it a sort of refuge to which other citizens who had been scared from home could return. Here, the chief built for himself and the royals Abban, a storey building from which he could reconnoiter. The Abban soon became closely related to Aprede, a kind of traditional drum. It is said it was the chief's pleasure every evening to listen to the drums for his enjoyment. The throbbing of Aprede was an attraction to summon the Bomaas and the people from the outlying villages to the Abban, and that was the origin of the name ABBANPREDASE. As time went on, Bomaa lost its very name for people wishing to enjoy the drumming of the Aprede. Simply said, I'm going to ABBANPREDASE. In memory of this exodus of Dormaas from Akwamu, the Dormaa State Council, during the reign of the then reigning Nana Agyemang Badu I, built a magnificent palace called ABBANPREDASE Palace. It was officially declared open by President Nkrumah in December 1959. So lovely people, this is the history behind one of the biggest palace that you're viewing in your shots right now. That's the ABBANPREDASE Palace, the seat of the Dormaa Ahenkro Nana Agyemang Badu II. It's a very beautiful place. As you can see, a very vast land that is called, that this building is, or this palace is occupying. And I can see it's one of the biggest in Ghana and in West Africa and Africa. One of the biggest palaces that you can have. And you can see the trees around. Where you are seeing right now is the surrounding buildings that's close to the palace. That's Dormaa Ahenkro that you are viewing your shots right now. It's a very beautiful town with well-tiled and laid out environment that you love to stay in. This place, Dormaa Ahenkro. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I will entreat you to click on the red subscribe button, like, comment, and share our videos for others to watch. And please do well to always comment. Let the comments for whatever you feel about our videos. Let's discuss them in the comment section. And if you need any assistance, any drone imagery shots of your project or of your event, you can contact us, Sunset Drone GH, on all our social media channels, on Twitter, Drone GH, on Instagram, Sunset Drone GH, on Facebook, Sunset Drone GH, and on YouTube to Sunset Drone GH. You can search for us on Google, Sunset Drone GH, and you get our contact You can contact us for all your events, for all your area photography and area videos. We can help you and assist you get your beautiful imagery done for you. Please sit back and enjoy the rest of the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and do well to watch all our videos, our amazing videos that we have been showing you. And thank you.